In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an infinite slider gallery in Wix Studio. Creating this feature on your website can enhance the dynamic appeal and engage visitors by providing a visually striking, continuous display of images or other elements. So, let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you have all the tools you need to achieve this effect seamlessly. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and open your Wix Studio site. Selecting the right page is crucial because this is where your infinite slider will live. So navigate to the page where you want your slider to appear. Once you're there, look to the left of your screen and click on the plus Add Elements button. This opens up a host of options from which you can choose either the gallery, a custom section, or a repeater if you prefer to have full control over your slider's appearance and functionality. Let's move on to adding a repeater, which I highly recommend if you're aiming for that sleek infinite effect. This gives you exceptional control over the look, animation, and looping behavior of your gallery. Begin by clicking on plus add and select list and grids, followed by repeater. You can now drag this repeater onto your page, positioning it exactly where you want your slider to be. Once you have the repeater in place, it's time to get creative by adding your chosen images, text, or any other elements you want to scroll through the slider. Remember to duplicate these items horizontally, ensuring they extend beyond the viewport for that seamless infinite loop effect. To enable the functionality that makes your slider scroll infinitely, you'll need to focus on the layout settings next. Click on the repeater container. This is where all your adjustments will be made. Now over in the right hand side of your screen, you'll see the inspector panel. This is where you'll set the layout direction to horizontal, which is pivotal for a slider. Adjusting the gap and padding settings will be necessary here to ensure the spacing of your images or elements is even and aesthetically pleasing. By following these steps, you'll efficiently create a striking infinite slider gallery on your Wix site. This not only increases the attractiveness of your site, but also keeps your audience engaged longer with a dynamic browsing experience. If you have questions or need further adjustments, the Wix community and support resources are invaluable. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check other videos for more insightful